Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video, we have implemented stack using linked list. So in this video, let us implement a queue using linked list. So let us create a class node. Let us initialize it with init method. We will be passing data to our node. So data and self.data is data. Then we have a next pointer. So self.next equals to none. Now let us create a class for single linked list, class SLL, initialize it with init method. So we have a head in our single linked list, so head, let us initialize it with none. So we have created a node and single linked list class. Now to implement queue, we have first in first out approach. So the element which is entered first should be removed at the first. So we have enqueue and dequeue method in a queue. So let us use our previous code to implement enqueue and dequeue method. So I will copy the push and pop method from a stack. Let us print that over here. So instead of push, we have enqueue. So enqueue method will always add an element at the start. So instead of using a location parameter, I will define a location which will be always 1. So we will be adding element at the start always, and the pop method removes the element from the end, so we don't have to uh, change anything over here. Now let us change the name of pop method to dequeue. So after we have done that, so let us create a queue with single linked list. Now we have created a queue, so let us create a node. I will create a default head node. So this will be our head. So queue dot head equals to h. So we have created head for our queue. Now let us try and add an element to our queue. So enqueue, I will pass our queue and the new element which I want to add, let's say 100. As we have added the element, let us copy the print function of the linked list. So print list, I will call print list and let us pass head which is queue dot head. Let us try and run the code. So we have head and we have added 100 to our queue. Let us try and add some more elements. Let's say 999, then 998, then 996. Let us run the code. So every element is being added at the first, as you can see over here. Let us try and add one more element. So this 100 should be added at the first position. So let us run the code again. So 100 is added at the first. So dequeue should be remove the element at the last. So let us try and run dequeue function. So let us try and run dequeue. So dequeue, and I will pass our queue to it. Let us print the queue again and run the code. So 100 at the last has been removed. So let us try and run dequeue some more times. So I have run the dequeue function 2 times. So as I have called the dequeue method 2 times, the two element which is 999 and 998 should be removed from the queue. So let us try and run the code. So this two element has been removed. So I hope you have understood how to implement queue and stack using the linked list. So thanks for watching this video, and if you feel any doubt you can use QA section. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.